Good day, everybody. Cleanthen Malope again here. Now, welcome back, guys, to the channel. Of course, guys, today I just wanted to talk a little bit about how you can actually make a living online. How you can actually make a living online. I've got a few strategies to share with you guys. I just want you guys to be aware of this, because making money online, it's so easy that it costs next to nothing. So you can actually make money online without you even spending a dime, right? So the good thing about this is that anyone around the world can actually make money online. So anyone around the world, doesn't matter where you're from, pick up your phone, pick up your laptop, connect to the internet, and make sure that you do it with love and passion. You can see me right now, guys. I'm talking to you, sharing my knowledge with you because I love it. I have a passion for it, right? Now, for me, this is a full-time thing. So I share information online, I share knowledge online on how to make money online. Part of it being what you see here on the screen. But of course, today we're not here to talk about that, right? Today we are here to talk about something else, which is of course how to make money online and how you can actually generate an income from that. Now, for me, guys, I'm all about working in the house. So working in the house, it works for me because I've never worked for anybody. I've never worked for any company, you know. So I've been, well, I did work, but it was just a piece job. It was not something serious. It was not even contractual. So I wouldn't say I've worked. I've never worked in my life. It was only for 8 months, right? So yes, guys, coming into an online space, all you have to do is to come up with something you have to offer, something you have, like, not just basic knowledge, but you've got experience in. Whether it's love, if you've got experience in love, talk about love. Share whatever you can share about love. Write a book or something, anything. You can do anything. If it's about cars, then you can talk about cars. You can talk about anything, guys. So for me, guys, I talk about investing online. So I talk about Forex. I also talk about real estate, investing in property. You can invest in property. So also I talk about investing in companies. So I do invest in companies, so it's something that you can consider doing as well. And you can do all these things online. You can even buy houses online now. You can buy REITs, you can invest in REITs. I'm not sure if you know what the REITs are, but it's something that you can invest into. So for me, guys, I would say, if you guys want to actually make money online, it can be something that you can actually give it a try and see where it can take you, because now, guys, a lot of people, especially young people, they are there in the online space. So I just want to bring back that thing here. I think it looked nice. I thought it looks nice. Does it look nice? It looks nice, right? So yes, guys, yeah, making money online, guys, it's pretty simple. You just have to dedicate yourself into it and make sure. So I'm gonna give you ways. You can have a YouTube channel, make money from ads, make money from promoting other people's products, or you can promote your own product if you do have one. You can make money from investing in stocks. So you can open a broker's account, invest in stocks, buy and sell, make money from that, from commissions and profits from there, right? And also you can be you can invest in REITs. REITs is real estate. You're investing in real estate because you don't have $200,000 to invest to buy a house and rent it out. You can actually invest what you have. If it's $5,000, you can invest that $5,000. They will give you dividends. It's more like a company that works in real estate. They buy apartments, they buy houses for rentals, they buy hotels, they buy shopping malls. So, but then they collect investments from investors all around the world. So those are called REITs. So you guys can get your profits as well according to how much you've invested. Now, yes, you can invest in Bitcoin. A lot of things you can invest in, guys. Like for me, I've decided to choose just 3 of them. Have my own physical business and invest in businesses, shares, buy shares. Also investing to Forex. That's why I'm too equipped in that. So the physical business is where I tend to buy cars and rent them out. I buy houses and rent them out. I buy apartments and a lot of things that I do in that physical business. So it's a big business that I own. which invest into so many things. I invest in people. If you've got an idea that you have, I can invest in you. We register everything. We open that business for you. We go 50-50. We talk. If you did, it just depends on our conversation, how it ends up, and in terms of the split. And yeah, guys, I mean, I love things. If you've got an idea in your mind, you can actually bring it into life and share it with the world and actually make money from there. For me, guys, it has been working. It has been working for the past 7-8 years. 7-8 years of experience. So, guys, remember, guys, feel free, click that subscribe button. Because if you don't click that subscribe button, I'm going to come to your house and buy it. So anyways, guys, yeah, click that subscribe button and also like the video so all around the world they can have a chance as you did to see this video and get educated and such. Now, guys, I'm very, very happy to be saying that my life has been a journey, has been a great journey that I now can share with you guys, share with other people, just to see where I can have like an impact all around the world. That's what I wanted to do, to have an impact all around the world. And I hope that you guys can take this journey serious too, so that we can have impact and change everybody's lives and everybody will be liberated. Guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Have a great day.